chaos. You're gonna get pecked in the eye.
No, now it's closed.
Oh my gosh.
All the mosquitoes are just coming in here.
Oh.
You heard it?
It's getting closer.
What do you mean it's getting closer? Just end this.
It's like
Close
a big
it.
poop stuck in your butt, ready to come out.
That's on video, Gracie, whatever you just said.
Well, I mean, it's true. Is that thing dead? Tell me when you feel some fed ass. I'll give it a give it. Oh, no. It's alive.
Yeah, it's dead or very wounded.
Oh my gosh, I hear it.
You're dealing with a wounded bird, Keith. Let it just kind of. I think you need to let it do its thing.
No, it's alive.
Gracie, we can't mend its wings.